trying to be cute, trying to be positive while I'm in quarantine. Wagwan YouTube, welcome to my channel. You don't know, so it's Shickaa Chung and I'm back at it again. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I achieve this nice basic neutral glam baddie look, everything in one. So if you guys want to see how I do that, just stick around and watch the video.
Sting it down music.
This is my Shy gloss from one of my girls. She started her lip gloss business, and let me tell you guys about this lip gloss. Honestly, not because she's my friend I'm saying this, but this lip gloss is actually really nice. When I put it on, it has like a nice balmy type of feeling. It's very moisturizing. It does not dry out your lips, and truth be told, I actually wear this lip gloss sometimes to bed because it makes my lips feel nice and moisturized. So yes, Shy gloss, CC Cosmetics. I will drop her Instagram in the video or in the description bar. Hey guys, so this is the finished look. This is a very neutral, basic glam look. If you want to be a basic little baddie, a basic little cutie, so this is the look that I was going for. And I just dropped a little bit of curls in my hair. As you can see, they're basically combed out, very loose, very more of a wave more than curls, but this is just me trying to be cute, trying to be positive while I'm in quarantine. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and make sure you guys subscribe if you guys haven't already. Yeah, wanna share it with your mother, or brother, or sister, or auntie, or everybody. And yeah, thank you for watching. Bye now.